आई एम इन कॉलेज एंड आई नो हम कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स को कितने पैसे की ज़रूरत होती है, नो मैटर हमारे घर वाले हमें कितना पैसा भेजते रहे, बट स्टिल वी वुड बी लाइक कहीं और से पैसे मिल जाए या हाउ वी कैन रिड्यूस द एक्सपेंस और make more money. So in this video I would be sharing 5 ways to make your money as college student. So before starting this video, tell me down in the comment section कि वो कौन सा काम है which you could do for like as long as you can, like you would love to do that, and if you would get paid for that it would be like wow wala thing. So without any further delay, now let's get to our first point, that is freelancing. Learn a skill, get clients for that. Use Fiverr, LinkedIn or any other platform to get clients for that. Even you could get clients through your college, through your friends, through your family ka network. Provide those services and make money through that. I have freelancing a content also on my YouTube. Also I have published a book, Proof to Freelancer. तो freelancing के बारे में तो sorted है. From where to learn. However, YouTube is very good source to learn about every skill, every option that I'm mentioning in this video. So freelancing is sorted. Number second is content creation. कंटेंट क्रिएशन को मोनेटाइज होने में ऑफ कोर्स टाइम ले लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ यूट्यूब, तो यूट्यूब के वॉच आवर्स कंप्लीट होना एंड वो सब टाइम ले लेता है. बट इफ टॉकिंग अबाउट वैसे ऑफ कोर्स कंटेंट इज ग्रेट वे टू अर्न. लाइक आपका पर्सनल ब्रांड भी बिल्ड होता है, यू आर गेटिंग गुड स्पीकिंग स्किल्स एज वेल, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट इज पेइंग यू लाइक आफ्टर सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम it would be paying you as well. So it's a very good option for you to learn, as well as I feel like you would enjoy doing also that. So you could consider that as your option. Number third is tutoring or mentoring your juniors. Like you have juniors in college, school जो अभी होंगे, or in your first year, like when you would be in second or third year. So you can mentor them. You can mentor students on YouTube. Like YouTube पे channel के through you can teach. There are many other platforms, like one is Course Hero, something sort of, where you can apply, join as an educator and teach students, like solve their doubts and get cash for that. So it's a very good way to earn. Even you can sell your notes to your juniors, like if you have been a topper in your school, reputed in your school, तो आपको तो ये opportunities बड़ी आसानी से मिल जाएंगी from your teachers, from your tuition teachers or directly from your juniors. Even I have got that, but I was not interested towards teaching, so I did not take up that. But of course, you would get many opportunities. So tutoring is one of that. Fourth is internships. Internships, if you are in like commerce domain or tech domain, तो internships तो वहाँ पे बहुत famous है. तो you could start doing internships from your first year as well. It's a myth कि internships is second or third year में करते हैं. No, it's not like that. You could start making money like from your first year as well. Of course, internships might pay you less as you would be working like part-time, 2-3 hours or something. They would pay you less a bit. Like it depends from internship to internship also, but they pay you at least up half of your expense, so you could take it up on your own now. So it's like a great way to earn. And of course, internships के through तो you would be getting points on your CV as well. This person has done tons of internships in their domain as well. So of course, it's a great way. Fifth is dropshipping. Dropshipping पे you would have seen many videos on your channel where you are just getting stuff from outsiders. Like you take orders, you are the main intermediary between them. From one end you are taking orders after designing your prints and something, and the other party is printing them and shipping them also, but you are the intermediary who is making designs and getting orders for that. Other thing, one bonus point, like if you stay till the last, it is personal branding. Start building your personal brand. It's like a asset. You would get brand promotions, you would get many opportunities. So it's better if you start building your personal brand on LinkedIn. So it will pay you, like in terms of internship, CV, jobs as well as if you are posting content regularly. It would build your personal brand and would help you get tons of opportunities आगे भी. LinkedIn पे I have so many videos on my channel, so do check out those videos on my channel. And with this, we sum up this video. These are the 5 legit ways, and I have made money like to every point except dropshipping. So you should also try that. These are the legit ways. and drop your suggestions in the comment box. With this, Samiksha Juneja is signing off. Do subscribe to my channel.